It was in between.
Hide it easy.
Sparkle thinks that's fun.
No.
Isabel, can you find more pink eggs? Like the ones you have in your basket? Are they hiding? Come on.
There's some out here.
Let's find them. Come on. Let's look around. Look around, see if you can find pink eggs. Do you see any anywhere? Can you find more?
How are you doing, Sarah?
Oh, you found. Uh-oh. The egg opened. Oh, what's in the egg, Isabel?
Oh, that one.
Here, give it to Mommy.
What do you got there?
Here, give it to Mommy. Here, give it to Mommy. I'll fix it for you. You want a piece?
You got 7 more out
Yes.
Here, I'll give you some.
Yes.
Here.
Sit.
there.
Here. No. It's a...
What have you found, Ben?
She only found 5. She has 5 more. You have 5 more. Find your eggs. She's like, you mean person.